everyone, today I'm going to be trying and reviewing some Uhuhu markers. So let's get started. So the markers come in this nice bag. Let's open it. These are all the markers I got. There are 48 shades here. They all look very pretty. Okay. Now I'm going to be showing you what's inside the bag. First, there is a plastic sheet that you can put behind your paper to not let the ink go to the other page. So that's very nice. Next, we have a small booklet that you can read to know more about the markers. I'm going to read it later. Next in the bag is two swatch sheets. Like you can swatch your markers here and then get an idea how the colors look. In this sheet there is a color code and a name. You have to find the same marker and then you have to swatch it there. Okay, and these are all the markers, the 48 markers. This also comes with a nice case to store your markers. It's very nice. So now this set also comes with a colorless blender like this. It's not to blend colors, but I don't know how you use it. I have to learn. These markers have a brush tip which is very nice and flexible. And then on the other side there is a broad tip, or also called chisel tip. Each marker has a color code and a name. The marker looks something like this. It's white and it says Uhuhu Art Marker, and then has a code brush and broad, and it's completely round. There's a grey plastic which shows brush tip. It's completely round, so it has these two notches or blips to stop it from rolling on your desk. I'm just trying that, and it works, yeah. But if you throw it too hard, it will roll away. Okay, now I am going to swatch the markers, so let's get started. These are the two swatch sheets. As you can see, the first sheet is done, and I like the colors. It's nice. Now on to the next sheet. I'm going to swatch the blues, greens, greys, and the other leftover colors. This one is almost done also. There's like light nice greens, and you can see two very light grays They're very helpful for places where you have to use white, and you can shade it there, so that's nice. There are few grays and lots greens, many greens actually. So now I'm done. Only the colorless blender is left. Okay, so these are all the colors. Now I'm going to draw something to test these markers. I have drawn a few things, but for this video I'll be drawing a few more things. I'm going to put this plastic behind my paper because the ink is going to flow back, as you can see here. So yeah, be careful. I'm going to color these two cocktails. As it's summer, so I thought it would be nice to draw cocktails. I kept my markers by my side, and now I'm going to start to color. For the first cocktail, I thought for blue. I saw many pictures of cocktails, so I thought blue would be a nice color. So I'm doing blue. These markers, I wanted to check the blending for these markers because they are known for blending. So I wanted to try. I'm not very good at these because I just got it one day ago and I'm still practicing. So they didn't turn out very nice. But I'm just practicing with these. I used a light blue, dark blue and a blue-green kind color. These all markers have color names, so that's very nice. You know what color you're using. For the glass, I used the very light gray. It was nice because that was almost transparent. So just to give some shade, it was nice. The straw, I made it purple. This was quite simple, so I'm going to color the next one maybe a bit better. For this one, I thought of an orange theme. Let's see. I used a light orange color. These markers have a nice variety of colors. Like all the colors have very nice darks, lights. So yeah, you don't have to worry about colors. I used a light orange and then a dark orange and then the darkest orange, and then I shaded all of them. My blending is done. The straw, I made it green. Then I was coloring the fruit. I don't know what fruit. Maybe it's lemon or orange, I don't know. I just colored it with yellowy, orangey colors. For the eyes, also I used the very light gray, so it was helpful there also. I used a white gel pen for a bit of details because they looked a bit simple. And they're done. I made a few other things also, like like these cocktails, then this glass, and these cakes. Hope you liked my video. Bye.